All right, so I'm going to run through a quick review from last week, and then we'll add the last little piece that we didn't have time for last week. So, closed guard, and we were doing like 2-on-1 stuff, like the whole elbow across the center line. So we came here, got the lat grip here, shoot underneath. We did, well, first we did the pendulum sweep here. Then I showed here where we let the head through but keep the lat right here, close our elbow to keep this pulling in strong here. And then we go over the face here and finish with the arm bar. And then just the last piece here is when we get here, going for like arm bar style stuff, and they rip the arm out. And then we just close our guard here. And then from here, look, anytime you do a triangle, this is all triangles. There's no rush to finish the triangle. That's usually when you mess up and lose it. As you get super good, yeah, there may be times where it really matters. You got to close it up right away. But 99% of the time, this is the hard part, getting here. Once you get here, think of this as like a better closed guard. Take your time here. Just don't let them out here. So we bring the arm across here, break our posture, grab our shin, cut our angle, finish the triangle. And then another thing is, I think this is the way I showed last week, 2-on-1 grip here. But if you guys want to experiment with some other grips, there's like the one I've been showing the kids, like turning this elbow in here. So I'm still controlling her arm, my elbow's pinching, and I got her elbow with like a slight bend going towards like Americana direction. So that's how we can kind of like overpower them here for all this stuff right here. And then I also had mentioned, no, I think that was a different one. But anyways, any questions on that? Experiment with different grips. Like what we learned was pendulum sweeps, arm bars, triangles, all off of this. Like trapping one arm and underhooking the leg. So experiment a little bit with the different grips. Any questions? All right, grab partners. Ready?